If you've accidentally deleted messages on eBay and need to recover them, follow these steps to try and retrieve your lost communications. Step 1. Check your eBay messages folder. Log into your eBay account and navigate to the messages section. Sometimes, deleted messages may still be in the trash or archive folder, where you can restore them. Step 2. Review email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled, check your email inbox for any messages related to eBay transactions. You may find copies of the messages you need in your email. Step 3. Contact eBay customer support. If you cannot find the messages in your account or email, reach out to eBay customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you need and they may be able to assist you in recovering them. Step 4. Check third-party apps. If you use any third-party apps or services that connect to your eBay account, check those platforms. Some apps may save copies of your messages or notifications. Step 5. Regular backups. To prevent future loss, consider regularly backing up important messages or using a note-taking app to save critical information from your eBay communications. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering deleted messages on eBay. Remember to regularly check and back up important information to avoid similar situations in the future.